Go on, go, go, go. That's actually what she's like. It's the double. Go and make her, Laura!
Now she's off. She went from being she rang me back and apologised to me for being not right.
She's like, oh my god, there's jumps. Oh no. Slow and steady, Laura. Spread, Laura, spread! Spread!
And she did go back
Woohoo!
to apologise.
Dan, Dr. Duck, Dan.
You're on loan to anyone but up there.
Up now.
Well, we're going to put I've got 5 training days, and we're going to put them all in songs together. It's fantastic. How come you? Is it quite loud? Because Paul was going to bring his sound system down. How do you?
She doesn't want to be closer to that close to you.
Like plug into the generator, but it was going to do it that they got like five training days, so it's more like a drill ride to music.
Yeah.
So I have them all in there together, all going round. So it was something different for them all to try and have a go at.
Steady, Laura.
And they're all
Oh, she was going to go off without the steering shelf.